I've got this little Varden Kit, an outdoor one, on my back patio, and I have it attached to a fence. So I'm using all the same hardware that we include in our boxes. You can see the mounting cleat in there, screwed to the fence. But I planted petunias from small Elipot plugs in the body because I wanted to have an example of one that wasn't necessarily all edible. And then on top I planted some nasturtium from seed, and you can see these guys are up and running. You got 100% germination, and I cut a small hole in the mesh, and then I poked the seed in there, a couple of them, and squeezed the bag to cover it up, and about 1/4 of an inch deep, and voila, a few days later up it comes. That's the beauty of using compost too, because the beneficial bacteria and fungi that are in that compost crack open the seed coating and give you quite a bit faster germination in my experience, and the pros tell me that's quantified in the laboratory as well. So everything's growing really nicely. This has been in for a couple of weeks, and it's going to be a beautiful display for the summer.